242, Valid Anagram. This Java code defines a class named solution with a method isAnagram that checks whether two strings s and t are anagrams of each other. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Here's a step-by-step explanation of the method. 1. Convert both input strings s and t into character arrays chars1 and chars2 respectively, using the toCharArray method. 2. Sort both character arrays using the Arrays.sort method. This will arrange the characters in each string in ascending order. 3. Initialize a boolean variable anayea to true. This variable is intended to hold the result of the anagram check, but it's not actually necessary since the method returns false directly if a mismatch is found. 4. Check if the lengths of the sorted character arrays are different. If they are, return false immediately, as strings of different lengths cannot be anagrams. 5. Iterate over the characters in the sorted arrays using a for loop. Compare corresponding characters at each index I. 6. If any pair of characters at the same index in the two arrays are not equal, return false immediately, as this means the strings are not anagrams. 7. If the loop completes without returning false, it means all characters matched and the strings are anagrams. Return the value of anayea, which is true. Note, the variable anayea is redundant in this code since the method returns false directly when a non-anagram condition is detected, and the only other return statement returns true explicitly. The method could be simplified by removing the anayea variable and returning true at the end.